loves Mondays?
I know you guys have heard about layoffs, and I want to let you know that it's probably not true, allegedly.
Oh, weird. All the gays over here, all the straights over here. That's really funny.
It's Fun Boss Day. Tomorrow's probably Depressed Boss Day. That is the ups and downs.
Who here believes in ghosts?
God, I wish I could fire you.
Hair of the dog. Right, guys?
Do you guys know of a great STD clinic?
Does anyone know, does bath salts show up on a drug test?
Really quick, if I get a notification that I'm ovulating, I'm gonna have to just go, so.
Anything work? Anybody? Does anything fucking work in this place?
So we lost an intern yesterday. How are we going to move forward?
Wake up!
Sorry, I'm still on island time. To be honest, your work last week was no bueno.
So who are you guys?
Fiscal. Revenue?
So why aren't you guys talking? The meeting started like 5 minutes ago.